Most industrial failures don't start with explosions, leaks, or catastrophic breakdowns. They start quietly, buried inside equipment that no one has inspected at the right time. The shocking reality is that studies show organizations using proper risk-based inspection frameworks can cut inspection costs by focusing on just the equipment that poses the highest threat to safety, the environment, and production. Yet many facilities still treat every asset the same, wasting resources on low-risk equipment while the real dangers continue to age, corrode, crack, and fail out of sight. Teams struggle with incomplete inspection plans, outdated risk assessments, undocumented damage mechanisms, inconsistent data, and inspections driven by fixed intervals instead of actual probability of failure. And when something goes wrong, the consequences, economic, environmental, and human, are far worse than anyone expects. These chronic issues are rooted in a lack of structured risk understanding, unclear failure modes, weak probability calculations, poor consequence evaluation, and limited knowledge of how corrosion, fatigue, creep, and other damage mechanisms actually evolve. Without robust data systems and proper analysis, organizations end up reacting instead of preventing, guessing instead of prioritizing, inspecting everything instead of inspecting what truly matters. This is where a rigorous, methodical RBI approach becomes a practical game changer. This certification program is built to close the knowledge gap that keeps critical assets vulnerable. Participants learn how real risk is quantified, how statistical models and failure mode analyses shape risk matrices, how damage mechanisms are identified, and how consequence modeling drives smarter decisions. Through software simulations, case study workshops, real-world scenario analysis, and hands-on inspection planning, professionals learn to optimize intervals, allocate resources with precision, validate data quality, and build inspection programs that actually reflect the true condition and true risk of their equipment. In practice, it means safer plants, fewer surprises, better compliance, longer asset life, and decisions grounded in evidence rather than routine. If you're ready to upgrade how you think about inspection, risk, and asset integrity, enroll now and take control of your risk-based inspection mastery before your next failure takes control of you.